Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another HP Society episode. Unfortunately, you guys, MT-82 issues are starting to come up. We do have a problem with the MT-82. I knew I was gonna run into these issues as soon as I bought the car. I've heard it from everybody, oh, the MT-82 this, the MT-82 that. I didn't listen. Unfortunately, there is grinding in third gear. I don't know why. I've been granny shifting this car. I haven't been quick shifting. I haven't been dumping the clutch. I didn't do none of that yet because I want to wait till I get the MGW on, and then I'm gonna do a twin disc clutch. Man, yesterday me and my fiance were in the car. I'm going from second gear, doing a little pull, and then I popped it into third, and all you hear is just this fucking grinding, man. And I was just like, well, it first tried to lock me out. Now I kind of had to force its way in, which I don't know if that's good or not. I've never had that issue in the Camaro. I don't know if you guys remember, I did have an SS1LE on the channel, and I was quick shifting the shit out of that car. Never had an issue like that. Please educate me on what to do. I do have the MGW Spec X shifter right here with the Vibrant Performance clamp. This is for the exhaust because we have to fix the exhaust, but I really have the shifter right here ready to go. That's going to be installed. That is going to be installed May 2nd. Shout out to D-Mark Performance. We might actually dyno Alex's 700 horsepower Mustang. I think it's 700. He thinks it's less, but I'm pretty sure it's at 700. We'll see. Yeah, but I don't know, guys. I don't know what the issue is, and I'm kind of a little worried. So we're gonna take the car out. I'm gonna put the GoPro on, and we're gonna diagnose the issue. Maybe it might have been a one-time thing, but I'm telling you, it wasn't me, because I know how to shift, bro. So let's get a cold start. Sounds good. Sounds really good. MBRP cat bag, baby. Well, you guys, we're gonna strap on this GoPro and we are going to head out, and I mean, we're just gonna drive. It's gonna be a little POV vlog today, and we're gonna see what the issue is. Maybe it doesn't happen, maybe it does. So let's find out. All right, guys. So we're in the Mustang, and we're gonna do a pull here. This sounds so good. That sounds really good. So I went from one, two, right? And then as soon as I went into third, I threw it into third, but it wasn't like I let off the clutch early or the clutch didn't engage. Like, I don't know, dude. I don't know how to explain it. It was, so when it went zzz, as soon as I put it in there, so I was like, what the f? Gear pull, going to third, see what happens. Just so I'm not tweaking out. And that fucking Accord. All right, so you want to get some space between these guys. All right. Let's go now. Okay, so it didn't do it that time. All right. It didn't do it that time, bro. I'm gonna try another pull like that. We're gonna try another pull just like that and see what's going on. The car sounds amazing. I can't lie. What'd you guys do to the Infinity community? Honestly, that shit sounds terrible. God, I don't know what you guys did to that. Some guy has a fucking half camo wrapped Infinity G37 that just passed me. What a goofy. You see how I'm granny shifting? I don't like quick shifting with the stock shifter. It's so stupid. Like, look, like I know what I'm doing. Second, third, like I know what I'm doing. All right, let's see. Base here, let's hit it now. All right. Okay, so it's not doing it anymore. Okay, this might be good. This might be good. All right, this might be good. All right, I'm liking that. Okay, I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did for, I'm telling you, I don't think I did anything wrong. I know how to shift. I know how to shift, I swear to God. Should we try first, second, third? We should, right? All right, let's try it. All right, let's try it out. You guys ready? It's probably gonna slip. No, it's not. All right, sounds good. Woo! Yeah, baby. That sounds amazing. I missed the race car. Oh my God, that feels amazing. I really do miss you guys so much. People think I like put up an act when I vlog and stuff like that. I really don't, man. I'm like this all the fucking time. Are you good? No, go ahead, cause an accident. You fuck. Okay, hold on. All right, let's do another pull. All right. And now. This thing is on. Let's go. This is like the first time I fully opened the car, by the way. I haven't opened the car like this. Like, this is the first time. This is why I'm so, like, nice little double downshift. Time I really opened up the car, I'm actually really happy, dude. This thing is amazing. I was talking about it's not rowdy, but man, once you get those thicker tires on, it just feels a lot better, bro. And like, it's very like, I like how responsive it is too. Like, you know, the steering is very good on this car. Man, I underestimated it, man. I'm really happy, you know, I bought this car, but damn, man, this is like the first time I opened that thing up. That's why I'm so happy. Holy shit. Kept getting DM'd, I swear to God. Dude, like, open up the car, man. Like, why don't you like drive it like fully, man, whatever. I'm like, man, like, I don't know, you know, I just bought the car. But man, dude, this thing is awesome. Please don't tell me you're turning. All right, you know what? I forgive you. If you guys can tell me, I mean, like, I don't know, you MT-82 owners, well, I'm an MT-82 owner now, but, you know, you guys who have had the Mustang for years and you guys understand the MT-82, I don't know nothing about it. I've had Tremex my entire life, so I don't really know much about these MT-82s. But if you guys can DM me, or YouTube commenting right now is fucked up on my channel. I don't know why, like, it doesn't let comments go through for some reason. So if you comment, it's gonna show up on your end, it's not gonna show up on mine. I don't know what's going on with the YouTube comments. Some of them will go through, so you could try it. But if you guys can DM me and then you know, talk to me and, you know, I mean, kind of explain about that third gear grinding, you know, that would really help a lot. I'd really appreciate it. But dude, this thing is awesome. Damn, what Honda is that? IS350, I think. Yeah, those are nice, I can't lie. That gray is beautiful. There's no way that's an OEM color. There's no way. That's not a wrap or some shit. That's beautiful. I can hear that exhaust. Yeah, that exhaust needs to get fixed. I'll do a big ass donut right here, just all around this thing. But I don't want to hit cars. This car is known to collide with other vehicles. We could park it right here, I guess. Take a couple nice pictures. That's a big motherfucker. That's a big dog. I do have my my pew pew on me, so God forbid that dog comes after me. We're laying it the fuck out. Alright, you guys, that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. If you're on a new channel, hit that little bell notification so you can be notified and be a part of HP society. Dude, the Mustang looks so good today. Oh my God. But you guys, cosmetically, the car is pretty much done. We just got a lot of performance mods going in now. Suspension, shifter, you know, engine mods, and then I think that's it cosmetically though. Everything looks perfectly fine. We just probably got to get a spoiler. That's about it, you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.